Okay, we got our head all sanded down. We got it. We went back in and we touched up spots that needed to be touched up, sanded them down. So now we're ready to put our base coat of paint on. So we got the head, we got the mouth, we got the hands. I'm still working on the feet. I don't have them all carved out yet. Back of the head. So first thing you want to do is take a damp cloth and you want to wipe everything down. You want to get it all that sawdust off of here. So I used a damp cloth to wipe all that down. So now we're ready to do our base paint. And I'm just using this acrylic white paint here for my base. You can get this at any craft store. So we're going to start with this. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. You can see we're just going to paint everything white, let it set and dry. If we need to, we'll use some 220 grit sandpaper and touch up spots if we need to, if it's still a little rough, and then we'll put a second coat of base on here, and then we'll be ready to start adding our color. And then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.